Hi guys, I'm just doing a review on this Heaven Fresh humidifier with ions, and I got the unit before the winter time, so I know it's kind of coming out of season, but I just thought since having it for a while I'd be able to give you a better review. And the you will see a lot of different comments on this humidifier, but it's pretty easy to use. It comes in this black shape. Now when I was checking it out, I noticed on eBay for the US you could get two for a cheaper price than you could get in Canada, but I bought this from a Canadian seller. It was shipped the next day, I think I got it. And you can control whether you want the ion feature on or off. There's the power button, and then the amount of humidity you want. This is what the back looks like. So it's been used, of course, so. And let me just move this out of the way. This is the tank. Now I saw on the website that it says you can use it, have it going for 3 days. That's not true. Basically after a day on full, you would have to refill it. And it's got, well, it's a bit smudgy there, but there are two holes where the humidity comes out, one there and one there, so you can turn this and adjust it so you have it going in two directions. It has an easy handle to carry it. To fill it, you have to flip it upside down, unscrew this, just a sec. So it also has a handle on the back, which makes it easy to carry. But for someone that's elderly, you might have difficulty not only lifting it, but also I found it tricky sometimes to screw this in. And this is the part that you would clean, so it's filterless. It will get scaling on this. There are these little balls in there. And you would just use vinegar and water to clean it out. And just a sec, I will fill it up for you. It's a good size, so you can fill it in the bathtub or in the sink. Cold water, of course. It's a cool mist. Oh, and that's a kitty. And this is kind of tricky sometimes. Yeah, you gotta get it. That's about one of the more or only annoying things about this machine. I thought it would be big enough. See, it's taken me a while to get it right. No, that's not right either. Once you're done filling it, you can use this handle to lift it with. So that's pretty handy. Now this could be tricky trying to do it with one hand. Let's see. And you just place it in there. Oops, I got it backwards. Okay, so you turn it on. It does have a nice blue light. So if you have it in your bedroom, that's for if you want it to ionize. And you can see the steam. It's cool mist. so it doesn't burn. You can turn this around. Some of the complaints on the website were that it left a powdery residue. It does, but I don't find that a big problem considering what I'm getting. And it works very well. Here is a bottle of Oxy cleaner beside it, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. It's nice looking. It looks good with the lights off, gives a nice blue glow. It's fairly quiet. When it starts to run out, this will turn red and it will shut off. So I would recommend it. It was one of the best values on eBay with free shipping for Canadians, so I'll put the link down below.